All right. Okay. Now, the first thing is a program. Program is a list of. Do you want me to dictate? I should type. Okay, let me type. Look at it. A program is a list of instructions given to computer to obey or an instruction to tell the computer what to do. Are you writing it down? A program is a list of instructions or a list of instructions given to a computer to obey an instruction to tell the computer what to do. You agree with me?
Yes.
Good. Is that working?
Yes.
Awesome. Now, what you're trying to do is this. How program work? What you tell a computer program. Sorry, I'm using a flippant writing. How
Okay.
work. Good. The first step is an event. That's the first step. In the event is steps to make jollof rice. The next step is program. The next step is what? Program. In this program is simply talking about the list of instruction you ask the computer to do. Now, what are the list of instruction? This. Did you get that? Are you with me, Tyler? Do you understand?
Yes.
Awesome. The next thing is program. That is the list of instruction or the steps instruction, the steps in telling the computer what to do. This is how a computer works. Now, the next process is what we call the end. Every program always at a start, must always start and has a start and also has an end. Do you understand?
Yes.
Every program has a beginning, must have a beginning, and must have an end. Now, the thing is, well, just give me a second. This call is trying to. Hello, Governor. Can I call you back in about 30 minutes, please? I mean, a minute, please. Thank you, sir. Yes. Okay. So, what did I say? Every computer program always have a beginning and what? An end. Do you understand that? Do you get that? Now, look at this step right now. Go back to the steps in making jollof rice. The step one, go to the market to purchase all the ingredients, right?
Yes.
The step two is you boil the rice. Although this is according to Chef Tyler. So I'm trying to go according to your steps. Okay. Now, when you boil the rice, the next step, add the pepper to the rice. Next step, you add Maggi. Next step, you add the salt. Next step, you mix it together. Next step, you add tomatoes. Next step, you cook it for some time. Next step, all done. The last step is serve to eat. That is the end. That is when the instruction you gave your computer comes to an end. So do you now understand what I just said?
Yes.
So this is the process how computer programs work. Do I have any questions?
No.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Now take this down again. The instruction in a program. Are you writing? I'm not seeing you writing. Are you seeing my board?
Yes.
You're not writing. I'm looking at you. You're playing with your hair. Are you tired?
No.
Now, we're going further to explain the instruction we are giving to the computer to do. The instruction in a program. I'm just explaining what we just done now. Need to be written in a step-by-step way, just like what we have done, so that the computer can follow the steps. The instruction in a program need to be written in a step-by-step way so that the computer with your work, it will do something else. The instruction in a program needs to be written in a step-by-step way so that the computer can follow the steps. So now tell me, what can you say a computer is? Do you want to call a computer? Okay, let me ask you this question. Are you done writing?
Yes.
Okay, now let's look at it this way. Can you say a computer can think on its own without needing an instruction?
No.
How do you mean? Explain to me.
So before it can do it, you have to type something up for it to do it.
Good. So invariably, you're simply saying the computer cannot work without the instruction given to it. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yes.
Excellent. So when you don't tell the computer what to do, you just be looking like you like this. Look at my eyes. Be my eye big balls. Oh, be looking at you like this. So you can simply say that computer cannot work like human beings, right?
Yes.
Good. So now let's make it like this. Can we list out some instruments or machines that act like a computer?
A robot.
A list of machines that act like a computer. Sorry, I'm trying to. Okay. So list of machine. List of machine that acts like a computer. Number one, you said robot. Okay. Another one.
Another one is
What do
a
you have at
TV.
home? A TV. Okay. All right. Number three,
A phone.
fan. Fan. Is that what you mean? I said list of machine. Okay. No, we're gonna do. We're gonna list of machine that act like a computer. Then on the other one hand, we'll now say list of machine that does not act like a computer. Let's do it this way. List of machine that does not act like a computer. So number three,
Number three is maybe
ding, 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 down, ding, down, ding, down. All right. Look at the house. Look at your room right now. Are you in the living room?
uh
So look at the things around you that act like a computer.
the only electrical device I can see is the TV and the speaker.
The multimedia speaker.
Yeah.
Okay, number four. What else?
Um. Maybe.
Let me give you an hint. Okay, what did I think about it? What do you have in the kitchen?
Stars. Microwave.
You have what?
And the oven. A refrigerator, a microwave, a stove.
Microwave. Okay. Five. Are you with me? What are that thing?
Yes.
Thing, thing.
Another thing is another thing is another thing is
I'll give you an hint. Look around you. What are the machines you have around you? Okay, let's leave that one. Let's go to the list of machines that does not have. Let's go over this first. A robot. What do you know about it?
a robot. So a robot acts like a computer because when you give it instructions to do, it will do it. But just like a computer, when you don't give it instructions to do, it won't do it.
Good. Awesome. Now come to TV. Can you say the TV acts like a computer? What do you tell the TV? look at the TV here. Talk to me. Can you say a TV acts like a computer?
No.
So, invariably, the TV falls under the list of machines that does not act like a computer. Do you agree? Agree? Do we agree or do you agree?
I agree.
All right. Okay. So, a multimedia speaker. Can you say a multimedia speaker acts like a computer?
No.
Okay. How does a multimedia speaker act?
Like
Okay, now let me take you back a little bit. Do you remember the definition of a computer? Okay, I'll give you an assignment. Right? Let me type the assignment. The assignment is, what is computer? It. Are you writing it down? Is the type of computer. Can I do like that? Okay, no. What is computer? Number 2, list the inputs. Devices. Number 3, means that does not act like a computer. So, act like a computer. Okay, you are done the assignment. Are you excited?
yes.
All right. So what is computer?
But I'm not writing it down.
I'm sorry?
I'm not finished writing it down.
Okay, please go ahead. We are still going back to the list of machines that act like a computer. You're not done on that. Sorry, I added this and types of computer.
I'm done writing the assignment.
Okay, great. Now let's go back to the list of machines that act like a computer. You forgot, you didn't talk about your mobile phone.
I
Mobile phone. I've asked you, what are the kinds of mobile phones you know? Tell me the brands of mobile phones you know. The brands.
I know.
But what's the phone mommy's using?
What did you say?
What's the brand of phone mommy is using?
Samsung.
Good, that's like one brand. Samsung, okay. I'll give you iPhone is a brand. Okay, what else? Google Pixel. These are brands of phones. You have what else? Think of the brands of phone you have around you. Are you thinking, Tyler?
Yes.
So what does happen? What's another brand of phone you can remember? Okay.
Maybe.
Two, you gave one. So I need one more to balance.
An Apple phone.
Phone.
Talia, this Apple phone is the same thing as iPhone. So she actually said two from beginning. She said Samsung and
Oh, okay. I didn't hear it.
what
Oh,
she's referring to.
oh, okay. Thank you, mommy. I didn't hear it. I heard Samsung. So I said iPhone. So okay, that's a win-win, right? Okay, my turn to give another brand. All right, I'll do Techno. Techno phone. So we balance, right? So we have lots of different brands of mobile. Now, know this. Do you know, have you used an iPhone before? Have you? Have you worked on an iPhone before?
Have I worked?
Have you ever worked on an iPhone? Have you used an iPhone?
Not really. I've not used it, but I have that much.
Okay, you know what? I'm going somewhere. You see, mobile phone use two types of operating system, two kinds of operating system. The Apple phone make use of the Mac, or we can simply say the Apple. We have the Apple and we have the Android. So other brands of phones aside Apple products use Android software. Let me put it that way. Know that? Do you agree with me? Hello.
Yes.
So let me. Oh, something is that mommy's connection?
I don't know.
Okay. Oh shit. Hold on a second. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Tyler, are you here? Okay, Tyler. My light went off. So okay. All right. So I was saying something. Can you hear me?
Yes.
All right. I said Let me see if I can get back to my board. I said, let me see if I can look my whiteboard again. I said, we have two kinds of software that is being used by different brands of mobile phones. Now, I told you that every Apple product uses Apple software of all their products. Are you getting me?
Yes.
Okay. So from today, observe, look at your mom's Samsung and probably look at an iPhone. You realize they operate with different software. I'm glad you know what a software is.
Yes.
Excellent. Now, I'll give you that observation and assignment to go start. How is an Apple iPhone operate and how an Android phones operate? Now, what are the Android phones that we have? The brand of Android phones. We talk about Samsung, talk about Techno, talk about different brands of mobile phones that are not Apple products, Android software. Do you agree with me?
Yes.
So I needed to know that. So I have it at the back of your mind that iPhone, iPad, Apple laptops all use this Apple operating system. Why every other brand of phones aside of Apple phones make use of Android software. You agree with me? So I'm going to add to the assignment number 4. Hope you're not complete that assignment is much. Number 4. What's the difference between Apple phones and Android phones? Can you do that?
Okay. What was it?
Written down the other one. 1, you wrote it down. Number 2, number 3.
Yes, I've done number 1, number 2, and number 3.
Okay, so this is number 4. The difference between an Apple phone and an Android. Do you have any question?
No.
Are we good today?
Yes.
So, in one word, tell me, what was your experience today? In one word, or let me say in a sentence.
Maybe.
Okay. I need you to talk. Are you shy?
He said, "What have you learned today?" Didn't you hear him? He said in one word on in sentences, "What have you learned today?" He said, "Okay."
So I thought he said another thing. I learned that a robot is like a computer, and that
Tyler. I'm seeing you're trying to look at your phone. Look at your notes. Somebody's trying to look at the notes.
and
I caught you. Okay, I'm listening.
A program is a list of instructions given to a computer to like make it do what it needs to do.
What you want to do. What you
Yeah.
want it to. Not what it means. What you want to do. Okay. All right. So, in one word, how was the class today?
It was very good.
All right. So, hope to see you tomorrow. Same time.
Yes.
Good. All right. See my thumbs up. Look at it. Thumbs up. Thumbs up. Let me see your thumb up. Yeah. See you tomorrow. All right.
Bye.
Bye.